This is a CF-54 bottom bezel replacement. Start off by turning off your computer, removing your battery if you've not done so already. Flip the computer over, make sure the battery's removed, the media dummy is removed, and the hard drive caddy is removed. Then go ahead and start removing the screws on the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. There's a few screws on the top, and then there's a few screws in the back. Once those screws are off, remove the cover, set it to the side. You can go ahead and start to remove the screws on the bottom bezel. Go ahead and get the antenna wires disconnected and out of the way. You will need to disconnect the ribbon cable to get the antenna wires out because it overlaps it. Be careful with the connector. Go ahead and remove the docking port cover and remove the docking port itself. Be careful with the ribbon cable. It is fragile. You don't want to break the ribbon cable or the connector. Make sure you have all the screws out on the bottom bezel. Don't forget the one in the back. It's covered up so you don't see it. Make sure you disconnect the cable for the LED indicator light for the batteries. Then the bottom bezel cover should just remove and come right up. Go ahead and line your handle back into position. Put the brackets back on for it. Then get your replacement bottom bezel. Feed your antenna wires through. Put it back into position. Start reconnecting your antenna wires. You put your bottom bezel screws in as well. Make sure to feed the antenna wires back through in their normal position. Tuck them underneath the ribbon cable and reconnect the ribbon cable. Reconnect all the antenna wires. You have reconnect it to your wireless card, and if you have a mobile broadband or a WAN card, reconnect those as well. Make sure the ribbon cable is connected in firmly. Make sure you reconnect the cable for the LED indicators for the battery. Make sure to put your docking port back on. Be careful with the connector. Make sure it's nice and firm, but it is fragile, so be careful with it. Once you have the docking port back on, you can go ahead and put the docking port cover back in place, screw it back down. Go ahead and make sure you have all the bottom bezel screws back on. Put your bottom cover back on. Make sure you put all the screws back in for that as well. Once you have that cover back on, all the screws in place, double check you have all the screws in place. Then you can go ahead and put your hard drive, your battery, your media bay dummy back in place. You're all done with the repair. If you have any questions, any comments, suggestions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com.